light, love, romance, attraction astrologically. Now, this topic is very important for people who are looking for cure in this section. But this is a self cure that I will be talking about in few tips, in few points. That does not mean that we are talking about some remedy of any particular planet or any particular thing in depth. We are talking about tips that what you can manage yourself if you're finding any this kind of a problem in your particular situation. Okay, so like I said, it's very important for any relationship, whether marriage or a love relationship, committed relationship, or even a live-in relationship these days. Okay, so mostly married people contact us because they are facing this kind of a problem, the attraction issue for each other, which decreases over the period of time between couples because of the monotonous daily life routines they are following and the responsibilities that comes after marriage, and especially after having children. Okay, so a lot of wives and a lot of husbands also, male female both, have contacted us for this. So they want to know that what they can do themselves on daily basis to help in this particular situation. So this is a quick video. I made some points here. This is a quick video with some tips. But remember, this video is not for those people who are having any kind of black magic. Okay, because like I always say in all my black magic videos, to update you all, that whenever there is any black magic in anyone's life, till the time that is not gone, okay, no cure, no remedy, no tips will work. That is a rule of tantra for supernatural sciences. That negative energy has to be removed. So if you're finding any sort of negative energy around you, this video is not for you. This is for all the people who are not under any black magic attack. So please remember this. Okay, so let's get started on the tips. The first thing is in your bedroom. I always say that don't let other people enter your bedroom. What I'm trying to say is even your cousins, your brothers and sisters, and your relatives, and all of that. Because see, there is a vibration. There is a vibration between you and your husband, or you or your loved one. It can be any committed relationship also. Okay, that you share in that private space. Okay, and when anyone else enters it, maybe that person doesn't have a good love life or doesn't have a good physical life. Okay, so then what's going to happen? He or she is going to look around in the bedroom that yes, they must be having a good physical life, and all of that comes in the mind. And sometimes they don't have very positive vibrations. Sometimes they're envious of things that they may find in your house, in between your relationship, between both of you. So that also hampers. Now some people believe in it. I have seen so many people, friends come, they lie down on the beds, couples are coming, entering each other's bedroom. No, that should not be the way. Okay, some of you will say that this is such a superstitious thing, why Didi is talking like this. But then in one of my previous videos also, I had talked about that what precautions you should take to make your love life better, and the same thing I'm repeating here. That's the first general point. Okay, so keep it private. Secondly, what you can do is in your bed, take 5 silver nails, normal silver, it should be pure silver nails. You can go to any jeweler shop and you can tell him to make nails for you. Okay, pure silver nails, and hammer them inside the bed corners, the 4 bed corners of your bed. Hammer them inside, but you have to do this once you're alone. No outsider should be seeing that. Your husband can see that, your wife can see that, but no one else. Okay, and 1 in the center. So there'll be total 5 nails, 4 in the 4 corners and 1 in the center. Okay, just do that on the base of your bed and just leave it like that. Okay, so this is the first tip. So this will also enhance a lot of attraction and a lot of good physical life between the two people. Okay, let's go to the third one. Sprinkle some rose water. Okay, rose water, or even what you can do is that you can apply and roll on some nice rose perfume or itr. Okay, but it should be again a very strong rose perfume or a fragrance. It should not be a mild one, because you should be able to inhale it, deep down your senses, because rose is something which is directly related with love and affection and all those dreamy things that one would want in romance. So this is a very powerful thing, that even on your pillows you can rub the rose oil or perfume or whatever you have. Okay, next, go for some light colors over the bed sheet. Please don't use blues. I know many of us love blue, even I love blue color on the bed sheets, but this is not very good color for your love and romance. It should be white, pink, violet. All these colors are very, very good when it comes to, you know, bringing back the physical and the love and the romance and everything in your life. Okay, and keep your bed very, very clean. Okay, make sure, maybe you can sprinkle some holy water every week, or do anything, just keep it clean. And the best is just wash your bed sheets on this in the salt water. Okay, once you wash your bed sheet, just dip it inside the salt water in the bucket and just take it out, and then let it dry, and then you put the bed sheet. That is also one of the good things. Okay, next, bring some white, pink, red flowers, but it should be real flowers, not the artificial ones, and just put them in a glass vase, which should be absolutely clean. I don't want them to be with fingerprints or, you know, dirty glass, transparent glass. It should be transparent, filled with clean water, and some roses, whether white, pink or red color. Okay, so that's also something which is really great. Wipe your bedroom floors, I have written, with salt water. That's what something I say about the whole house also, but particularly for this area also you must do this. Okay, for females, one very good tip I always tell all my female clients when they talk to me personally, that, you know, apply blush-ons on your cheek. Anything rosy, anything pink, which we call as blush-ons. These days you're also getting the beetroot tints, I have seen on internet. So anything pink on your cheeks here would enhance your Venus, planet Venus, immediately. You will see that the more attraction and the more attention is going in towards this area, and this is supposed to be your Venus area. Okay, so for females, this is a very good tip for enhancing their Venus or enhancing their romance and physical life. Okay, then wear good perfumes. I always say that it's all about Venus planet, and Venus planet is all about good perfumes and, you know, all those pretty things around yourself. And keep yourself clean as well. Clean clothes and keep your body clean. Okay, wear diamond if you can afford it. Diamond ring, pure diamond ring, if you can afford it, wear it. Otherwise, of course, the energized rings that you can see my YouTube video in the previous section, which talks about energized gemstones. But diamond is again associated with planet Venus, and if it's a good diamond, it will really enhance the attraction towards the opposite gender. Okay, and if you think that all this is also not helping, or you want more you know, percentage of this particular attraction and romance and love, then of course I always say that energize your Venus, get your Venus energized. Now that's something, a professional service that we're talking about. This is something that you cannot do. Yes, you can enhance your Venus indirectly with whatever I've just mentioned to you. Maybe these are very small tips that you must have heard from many other places, or maybe in my own videos in, you know, different sections. But when you put it together and when you do this in accumulated form, okay, you will find the difference. See it for at least a month, 2 months, 3 months, you will find the difference. But do this regularly. Okay, so for Venus energization, of course, you can contact the team, and they will let you know further on by doing the case study that how much energization part you need, because every case is different and every horoscope is different. Okay, so that's about it. Next week, another topic. Till then, goodbye.